In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn commissions with Alibaba.com's referral program. Whether you're a seasoned Alibaba user or just looking to explore new ways to monetize your network, this straightforward program can be a fantastic opportunity. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the steps you'll need to take. First things first, you'll need to log into your Alibaba.com account. Head to the Alibaba website and locate the login button, typically found in the top right corner of the home page. Once there, enter your credentials and you're in. If you don't yet have an account, simply follow the easy prompts to create one. It's a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, your next destination is either the Refer and Earn or the Affiliate Program section of the site. These can often be tucked away in the menu, so take a moment to look through the navigation options or use the search bar for quicker access. This section is the key to unlocking your earning potential with Alibaba. Here, you'll find all the details about the program. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with any terms and conditions, and importantly, locate your unique referral link. This link is tailor-made for you, and is essential because it tracks any purchases made by people who use it, ensuring that you receive the corresponding commissions or rewards. Next up is sharing your link. You can start by brainstorming a list of friends, colleagues, or networks that might be interested in Alibaba's vast array of products and services. Personal recommendations can be quite powerful. Additionally, consider amplifying your reach by sharing the link on your social media platforms, blogs, or newsletters. Anywhere your friends or followers see your content is a potential place for your referral link. A little tip here is to craft a compelling message about the benefits of using Alibaba alongside your link to encourage clicks and conversions. Finally, once your link is out there circulating within your network and beyond, you'll start earning commissions or rewards when those referrals make purchases through Alibaba. It's a brilliant way to passively generate income or rewards by simply leveraging your existing networks. Remember to keep an eye on the progress through the affiliate program dashboard to track your earnings and see where your links are performing best, which can help refine your strategy over time. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can tap into an excellent opportunity to earn some extra money with Alibaba's referral program. With a little creativity and effort, you might be pleasantly surprised at the results. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!